2024 Cadillac Celestiq hands on first look. The $300,000 Cadillac must be seen to be believed as the 2024 Cadillac Celestiq flagship for real. This head-turner of an all-electric super sedan is finally in the form of a production model, longer than a Cadillac Escalade full-size SUV, and priced in stratospheres Cadillac has long dreamed of returning to. Pricing will start in the low $300,000 range and customers can easily add up to $100,000 more to customize it, further ensuring no one else owns the same exact car. The fact that Cadillac is even going through with production of the Celestiq is as surprising as the vehicle itself. But here it is, fulfillment of a long-standing wish for a flagship. An idea became a vision, then a show car, and now an ultra-luxury sedan that retains almost all the gee-whiz features. The Celestiq has an estimated 600 horsepower, 640 pound-feet of torque, a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 3.8 seconds, range of more than 300 miles, and is equipped with a 200 kilowatts DC fast-charging system to add 78 miles of range in 10 minutes. Road to a flagship. We've been trying to do a flagship for Cadillac for a while, said Vice President of Global Design Michael Simcoe. The Celestiq can trace its lineage to the Escalade concept shown in 2016, which was once on its way to production with a V8. When the decision was made to pivot to all EVs for the Cadillac brand, the Escalade was left behind. A vision model was created for internal eyes only, a caricature before there was a new program for a flagship, and from that initiative the Celestiq show car was created to set the design tone for future Cadillacs. The Celestiq has adaptive air suspension, magnetic ride control, active roll control, rear steering, an active rear spoiler, and a full roster of safety and driver assist systems. It will be equipped with the hardware for Ultra Cruise hands-free driving assist, but full capability will not be ready at launch. Concept versus production car. Very little was dropped from the show car to put the Celestiq into production. To comply with regulations, conventional side mirrors replaced cameras and the rear side glass can't be tinted. Taillights moved from the hatch to the body and the rear bumper extends further to meet crash structure regulations. But as work continued on the car, features were actually added, like the polished stainless steel D-ring that guides the seatbelt, a first use of 3D printing for a safety feature. Propulsion comes from a 111 kWh battery pack powering a 2-motor AWD system. The Celestiq, pronounced Ceh-LESS-tick, will be handcrafted at GM's Global Technical Center in Warren, Michigan, where it was designed and engineered. Planned output will be just 2 models a day for global consumption, starting in December 2023. No more than 6 vehicles will be in the assembly process at any one time. GM execs say they are already talking to interested consumers. For such a unique and bespoke car, engineers and designers had to unlearn past practices and think of the car as a blank slate for a customer to design, with the ability to create intricate individual parts with sand casting and 3D printing. Pieces like the brushed and polished machined aluminum trim across the front of the hood would not be possible on a high-volume vehicle, said exterior design manager Taki Karas. Cadillac has taken a bold step to reclaim its luxury heritage. Time will tell if consumers are ready to embrace it.